Hindi kaya lang ganun. Mahirap to ah. Ma'am, kayo na lang pumili. Nahihirapan ako eh.
Dali na, deal na tayo. Birthday ko naman eh.
Wag! Ang layo naman! What's up guys? Another watch, another days. Ma'am, your name pala?
Cheska.
And sir?
Mati.
Here, they're looking for a watch. Kay madam, tama? Okay, so you're looking for ladies. Anong preferred mo na size? 31 talaga. Okay, sige.
Pero
31.
nabebetan ko to eh.
Nabebetan mo to?
Kaso
Okay.
hindi siya 31.
This is a 28mm. Rose gold siya na two-tone. Tapos chocolate dial. Reference number is 279171. So it's the newest model. Sa 2023, I think. 2020 pala, sorry. We are selling 759,000. Complete siya, box papers, everything. Ito naman, kung 31, something really simple. Clean lang siya. Oyster siya. Salmon ba ito? Parang Sundust. 2017, reference number 178240. This is 449. And then, ito naman yung isa. Salmon din siya, 31. Ito rin, stick lang siya. Pinagkaiba nito, ito may loom. So, may glow in the dark siya.
Ah, I see.
So, yan yung looms. Light UV, ayan, may ilaw
Ito
siya.
meron.
Yung diamond and Roman, wala.
My first kasi.
It's your first Rolex. Professional ka, tama? What do you do for a living?
Dentist.
Dentist ka. Kung dentist ka, ma'am, mahirap to ah. Ma'am, kayo na lang pumili. Nahihirapan ako eh. Pinakamaganda gawin mo, madam. Try mo muna to. Iba talaga yung mas bagay sa'yo to.
Ah,
Honestly,
talaga?
yeah. Iba talaga. So, if I were to choose and to suggest, you would choose between these two. Yung Roman dial natin na salmon, chocolate dial natin na diamond. Iba kasi talaga yan. Striking kasi talaga yan eh.
Yun ano?
759, I can give it. Honestly, I would go for like, sabihin ko 750. Pero since nandiyan kayo, can go 740. Ano yung pinakatawad nyo ba?
700.
Wag! Ang layo naman!
Dali na, deal na tayo.
Hindi kaya
Birthday ko naman eh. Birthday
1
watch ko
million
to eh.
followers ko
Yun
na
na
to.
nga eh. Congrats.
So, thank you. Ano man? Hindi kaya lang ganun. Sige, I'll do it.
710.
I'll do it the best I get. You could see the mga 15k, maximum 20k na yung binibigay namin na discounts. But here, I will give 29k discount, 730. That's really
729.
729.
Okay, fine.
729?
Yeah.
Okay, done. Thank you so much, sir. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko si Sir Chin lang siya eh. Bahala ka dyan.
Smile on Dental Clinic.
Yung papasta. Alam niyo, pupunta. Na-transfer na-receive na namin. Don Dilolet, maraming salamat. Dr. Rat, maraming salamat. Don Dilolet, thank you so much and congratulations ha. Ang dami kong benta today. Ang classic.